Mom, that's what I'm talking about. I'm not that good at painting. I'm not that good at acting. I'm not that good at playing music. But I do it anyways.
Because here you have a connection, team together, not by yourself.
So you're saying you can't sing?
Not that well like that. You know, when I go to perform, I mean, 저기 뭐 가면은 out. You're out of the normal. But
all right. Here, make a message then.
What?
My mom is saying she's not good at singing, and yet she tries anyways.
Oh yeah, I love to.
So you're aware of your shortcomings, and yet, what'd you say? You hit the high notes and some low notes?
Oh yeah, some of them I do, but some of them I couldn't. So that's why I just didn't lip sync. Doesn't matter. So my friend, she's a choir director.
I'll get you guys up to date. My mom is singing in a Disney hall downtown with a women's choir. She's expressing to me right now that she cannot sing that great, and yet sometimes when they have an arrangement, she can hit some of the notes, the high notes and the low notes, and the rest she lip syncs. And I thought, that's how I've gone through my whole life. You just fake it. You just do the parts you kind of know, you kill it.
I laugh. I gotta smile. The audience looking for me.
Stage performance and energy on stage is more than half the battle.
Right.
So if you're laughing, it's...
I mean, we dance, we clap together, so like this, because it's in the Korean Independence Day celebrate.
Yeah.
So August 15th, Disney Hall.
Okay.
It's a big choir, big symphony together.
But what's
part of that? I'm so excited. That's why I've been busy to go to practice.
But what's the lesson here? You still practice. You're part of the community. You try, even though you're not the best. And by doing that, you become the best.
Because of team, that's a symphony. I'm not by myself. I have a great community. Even family, some of them are slow, some of them fast. But we have a great team together. The value is a team. You just point out why your voice is too low, it's just be quiet. She said, okay, you don't want to go there? You just be smile and then lip sync. Then everybody gonna be great, performance.
Dulce, man.